This is my doorbell in a house I just moved into. Looks good, but wait. This one moves. This. It's frozen solid. I'm like, what's going on here? Well, I'll show you. Here's what's going on. Thing got melted solid. So it's just been sitting there, shorted out, I guess, for who knows how long. Except, sadly, the transformer burned up. It's only giving about half a volt. So, now I gotta find the transformer and replace it. Moral of the story is, I guess, they should make these things better. It seems like it's potentially a fire hazard even. If not, it's still just a waste. Anyway, thanks for watching.